Good evening, Internet folks, people of the Internet. How are you doing tonight? Today, blah, 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 blah. Oh, just got home. Well, actually, I didn't just get home. I just got out of the shower. It's cold. Anyway, wasn't able to get on the freaking Internet. It was terrible. The Internet was down, off, gone, kaput, like smashed. Keeled over in a box filled with peanut butter. I'm mad. Anyway, it works now, so that's besides the point. So, I got some really good feedback. Really good feedback on what I should or shouldn't do about the wizarding costume in conjunction with the PC fixing upper thing service thing. That. I just gotta quickly look up the username on YouTube for the guy who gave me the best advice ever. 1 second. Today was shit. Not a very good day. Well, actually, you know what? Yesterday was shit. Today is actually not a bad day, but for the Internet being the way it was, pretty much a bad day. And I'm also selling my computer. It's about time for an upgrade. Since I bought this computer and all the parts in it to make it what it was, the computer that I had, this one, right here, see that? I have calculated its oldness or age or its being as about 11 months, and I try to make a fairly recent, decent sort of Reese's Pieces habit of upgrading every year. So I want to sell this computer, claim some coinage from it, and put the funds and finances into a brand new computer. And I am switching platforms. Switching platforms. Switching platforms. That's my noise for switching platforms. I'm actually moving away from AMD and switching to Intel. Switching to Intel. Intel, yeah. Oh, my architecture, gonna switch that like a fat ass. Peanut butter. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to Intel architecture. I want to get the Core i5. Not gonna get the i7. I don't like 7s. I'm not that greedy. Plus, it costs more. So yeah, I'm gonna get the gonna go ahead and get the i5. And I'm not too sure what motherboard I want to go with. I still want to go with the Asus motherboard, just the Intel version and not the AMD. Hey buddy, hey, you're a cat. Hey, you're running the cat operating system. Hey look, say hi to the Internet people. Hey look, it's Nico. Look, just chilly there, buddy. Oh, look at you, eh? Oh, you're just a baby. You're just a baby after all. You're just a cat. You want to go down? There you go. There you go. Oh, just a baby after all. But yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna get the wizard. Well, I'm gonna get the wizard costume. But I'm not gonna associate me being the wizard to the PC wizard. I'm just gonna be a natural wizard. So every Friday, I'm just gonna go in a pub or just kind of around and be the wizard, and then fix computers in my spare time, like I normally do. Anyway, the guy that gave me this really awesome advice, his name is YCFGUZJCBCEF0ZBRNQ. Big thanks to him. He gave me some really good feedback, and I appreciate it. And yeah, so yeah, I'm not gonna be the PC wizard because he said that would just be odd. I mean, that would probably scare people. It would probably drive business away from me rather than take it in. So yeah, thank you for that, sir. Okay, next on my list of things to talk about. Yeah, I actually didn't have a list, actually. But yeah, definitely switching to the Intel platform when it comes to computers. And I think that's about it. Other than that, yeah, Internet was shit today. Today was not too bad of a day besides that, though. Like, a really, really fun day. Fantastic, no doubt. I mean, It's great. But I'm like super tired right now, so I'm gonna go get a oh, and the form factor, micro ATX still, but the case is the doozy. The case is special. It's a special case. Get that. I'm actually looking at the Thermaltake Black SECC model, and this is like a LAN case. Can you see? I don't know how well that would focus in there, but it's gonna be great. I think this case is gonna be like awesome. It's gonna be smaller. It's gonna be sleek. It's gonna be like a small footprint, like a lion, only less fur and weight, and it won't bite you. So that is, and everything is coming from Newegg. I'm using Newegg as my supplier. Yeah, so I think it's pretty good. It's good. Hopefully we oh, I just thought of something funny. Yeah, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. I'm excited. I'm a little bit excited. So that's pretty much all that's happened today. Other than that, I'm gonna go safe here right now, and I'm gonna get some supplies, get some coke because I'm a little bit on edge. And then Mitch is gonna come over, and then we're gonna do some programming. We're gonna make some ideas. We're gonna poof like that. Okay, so I will talk to everybody tomorrow. I hope everyone has a fantastic evening. Launch some fireworks. Wednesday. Oh, I like Wednesdays. Like totally middle of the week. Okay. Anyway, sorry about that. Sorry about I was shaking. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.